5 Best EDC Flashlight. And finally, the fifth one is the rechargeable bundle. The smallest side switch LED in a light history. This light is only 2.4 inches in length and 1.06 ounces, allowing it to be taken anywhere with extreme ease. Blindingly bright, this tiny light boasts 500 lumens and can light up an entire football field plus some with its ultra-far 120-yard beam throw. Choose among 3 brightness levels to illuminate your surroundings from 0.5 lumens on moonlight mode to 500 lumens on high. Also features 8 lumens on low and 80 lumens on medium, in addition to strobe mode. Ideal for any outdoor activity, the S1 can be placed in your bag or pocket without taking up much space to be called upon easily at any time. This is a rechargeable bundle with one X-Lite RCR123A rechargeable battery and a compact LumenTAC Traveler's charger. Always ready to go without worrying about the availability of the battery. In fourth place we have the All-Lite S1R2 1000. 1000 lumen output. The All-Lite S1R2 pushes the boundaries with its 1000 lumen output. Perfect for inspecting, searching and emergency backups, this compact flashlight packs a powerful punch you'll use over and over again. Lightweight and compact for EDC, at only 2.48 inches long and 1.8 ounces, including battery, the S1R2 is designed for everyday carry. A removable, dual-direction pocket clip keeps the flashlight secure in your pocket, while enhanced texture on the body makes it easy to hold on to during use. Easy to read power indicator. It's even easier to keep track of your remaining battery now that the S1R2 features a 3-color indicator light. Green lets you know there's plenty of power left, greater than 60%, while yellow lets you know when power is between 10% and 60%, and red alerts you to power under 10%. Magnetic charging and battery included. Everything you need comes in the box, including an MR16340 battery and MCC magnetic charging cable. Simply attach the charger to the tail cap of your light and plug it into any available USB source. Backup battery included. This bundle includes one rechargeable All-Lite MR16340 battery and one LumenTAC CR123A non-rechargeable battery, so you will always have a backup battery to power your S1R2. Additional package contents include All-Lite S1R2 flashlight, magnetic charging cable, battery box, pouch, lanyard, and instruction manual. In third place is the Phoenix PD35 TAC 1000. The PD35 TAC, Tactical Edition, remains a pocket size but has a higher performance and focuses on tactile employment. Measured at less than 5.51 inches, it features up to a 1000 lumen output and has a beam distance of up to 656 feet. In the outdoor mode, the PD35 TAC delivers 6 output modes. However, the tactical mode strengthens the PD35 TAC with simplified and fast operation. From outdoor use to law enforcement, you can resort to it. Stainless steel side switch to select output mode under outdoor mode. Side switch only capable of mode changing under tactical mode. Low voltage reminder indicates when battery replacement is needed. Intelligent memory circuit, automatically enters last used output mode when turned on. Reverse polarity protection, to protect from improper battery installation. Anti-roll, slip-resistant body design. Made of durable aircraft-grade aluminum. Premium Type 3 hard anodized anti-abrasive finish. Toughened ultra-clear glass lens with anti-reflective coating. Waterproof to IPX8 standard, underwater up to 6.5 feet for 30 minutes. In second place is the Phoenix E12 flashlight, pocket-sized bright flashlight, 130 lumens. Introducing our new Phoenix E12 flashlight, contains high-intensity adjustable light beam, making it efficient and durable. 50 lumen medium, 6 hours. 30 minutes, and 8 lumen low, 40 hours, provides additional flexibility. One of the main features of this bright flashlight is that it has precision machined, high-strength aluminum alloy case. Quality is assured and maintained up to a certain level, meeting all the current market standards. composed of durable aircraft-grade aluminum. Tactical flashlight is digitally regulated output, maintains constant brightness. Premium Type 3 hard anodized anti-abrasive finish. Compact 4 inches aircraft-grade aluminum body weighs less than 2 ounces, IPX8 waterproof, 2 meters for 30 minutes, supported by limited lifetime guarantee from Phoenix Lighting, US. Max 130 lumen output from a single AA battery, included. 50 lumen medium, 6 hours 30 minutes, and 8 lumen low, 40 hours, provides additional flexibility. Coming in at first place is the ThruNite T3 EDC Cree XBG2 R5 AAA. The T-Series is launched by ThruNite to be a portable and economical EDC light. Equipped with an advanced Cree XBG2 R5 or XPL, bright and powerful 100,000 hour LED. Built with aircraft aluminum construction for extended use. The tiny T3 series reaches 120 more lumens output, weight 0.43 ounces. The perfect combination of its small size and high lumen output contributes to one of the most convenient everyday carry keychain flashlight. And LED is ideal for lights that are used often and over an extended period of time. You don't have to worry about breaking the light, since there is no glass or filament, and you rarely have to replace LEDs because they can last a lifetime. Save time and money on batteries as well, they will last much longer with an LED than with a regular light bulb. T3 series light dimension 2.76 inch, length, x 0.55 inch, diameter, weight 0.42 ounces, packed in a petite package and can be taken to everywhere. With max output 120 more lumens, max beam distance 50 meters, T3 machined from solid, aircraft-grade aluminum with an Type 3 hard anodized finish as well as waterproof to IPX8.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe this channel.